Edo Governor Godwin Obaseki don charge the 18 local government chairmen for the state to run all-inclusive and accountable government wey go carry along all citizens wey vote and no vote for them. Governor Obaseki tok dis one for the 2 days retreat of local government chairmen and their vice chairmen, secretaries, head of local government administration (HOGA), heads of MDAs, commissioners, labour leaders, among others. Obaseki come tok say administration believe in autonomy of local government as the constitution provide, but say nothing better pass transparency and accountability. The governor come tok say im focus na to ensure say resources wey dem receive from the state, federal government allocation, taxes wey dem raise from the people of the state, or money wey dem borrow, say make dem give good account of am, and say e dey bad say people wey dem elect or appoint for office go dey do as dem like, as dem forget say the purpose of the office na to serve the people. And say for the last 7 years for Edo, dem don make sure say dem run government wey the people dey included, and say make the local government chairmen do the same thing. The governor come tok say as government, dem never focus on individuals but policies wey dey transform lives of the people, and say make the local government chairmen include all people for their government.
In Edo, over the last 7 years, we've tended to make sure that we run a government where the people feel that they are included, where the people feel that they can be heard, and that the government in place is there to serve them. And we expect that this same will trickle to the local governments. Our government in Edo State, whether state or local, has to be seen as inclusive, accommodating everybody, every shade of opinion, whether those who voted for us or those who didn't vote for us, should be included in the decisions we take. That's why we've never said, oh, this particular local government or this ward, we didn't win, and therefore we will not work there. We've insisted on working so that next time we can win there. How have we governed? How have we made our people feel included in government? Not by focusing on individuals, but by focusing on certain policies that affect majority of our people. First, education is so key because the society is made of human beings, and it's important that we as a government lay down the direction and way in which our society will behave. And the only way we can do that is from a very early age, making sure we define how people are trained, what people learn, what they know, and how they are made to behave. That is why education is very, very important.
Secretary to Edo State Government Osaudion Oge Esquire come tok say the sole responsibility of government na for the welfare and security of the people, and say make all local government chairmen sit down and stay for their local government so that dem go know wetin dey happen for their local government, and say make dem no keep workers wey dey abroad and still dey collect salaries.
I know politics is local. Is that not so? Yes. You go here on the platform of a political party. Is that not so? You campaign on the platform of a political party. Yes. That party made promises to our people. Is that not so? Yes. If you fail, who has failed? It's not your mandate. It is the mandate of our political party. So if you are conscious of that fact, that I'm here on a borrowed authority, the authority belongs to the people. They don't loan it to you. To serve them, not to serve yourself. You will succeed to have that mindset. But if you come there with the mindset of the chair, I'm not the number one citizen of the local government, my brother, my sister will get it wrong. Every chairman must have a relationship with your DPO and the vigilante. Keep records of what is happening. We have security meeting every morning where we have reports. We expect that chairman, you will have your own report, word by word, which you will put together and give to commissioner to submit and security meetings. Very important. You welfare and security of your people are your main focus for being in office. So if you don't care whether there is courtesy in your local government, you are not working. If you don't care whether there was kidnapping, it's not my business, you are not working. These are things that touching the heart of our people.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesole, TMC TV News.